So we're going to continue talking about what we did yesterday, where we're going to find the sides of a triangle using sine, cosine, and tangent. And this is really basically the same thing as before. I just wanted to go over the case where the x ends up being in the denominator as opposed to the numerator. It's done the same way though. Let's just look at this example. We have 29 degrees, and we can see that the opposite side is 3 and the hypotenuse is x. So since we're dealing with opposite and hypotenuse, we're going to be using sine. So setting up the equation, we get sine of 29 equals 3 over x, because the sine of 29 is the opposite, which is 3, over the hypotenuse, which is x. Sine of 29 is 0.4848, so we have 0.4848 equals 3 over x. Now to solve for x, and this is the only part where it's different, so here x is on the bottom. We need to get it out of the denominator, so we'll first have to multiply both sides by x, which will give us 0.4848 times x equals 3, because again, we're multiplying both sides by x to get x out of the denominator. And now you have 0.4848x equals 3. We're going to divide both sides by 0.4848, and we will get x equals 6.19. And that's going to be the final answer. So this is really the same as before, just when x was on top, all we have to do is multiply. When x is on the bottom, it's just one little extra step at the end with the algebra, so you have to get x out of the denominator, and then you end up having to divide 3 divided by 0.4848 to solve for x.